What herbs grow well indoors? And this is Ann from Cordova, Tennessee. So, Mr. John, what do you think about that?
Herbs like light, they like sun, and so a house is already a little bit of a challenge. But I would think that annuals would grow better, things that aren't going to form a big root ball, something, you know, parsley, cilantro, any of the basils. I think those would be good candidates.
Okay, and we of course have to watch the watering on that house.
Oh yes,
they need to be watered.
Yeah, you don't want them to have wet feet.
If you put them in a windowsill, which direction? You know, which window?
They don't want to bake either. You know, that's, I don't know. I've never felt very successful with houseplants.
Right. All right, but yeah, those are some good examples. Okay, and yeah, just don't water them too much. Make sure they get sufficient sunlight. We think those will be fine. Right? Annuals. You said annuals. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.